This is the last step we do before the end of our dance for applause. It's a rolling shuffle combo. So we have leap, shuffle, run, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, run, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, 1, 2, 3, prepare. We're going to say prepare because we're getting ready to do another set. So super slow. Leap, shuffle, leap, shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle. 1, shuffle. Prep. Pick that right foot up because we got to prep. Again. Leap. Leap. 1. 1. 1. Prepare. When you're doing this, I recommend you practice it super slow, but practice it with something you can hold on to, like a table or the counter or something like that, because you need to learn to do it slow up on the balls of your feet. If you don't do it slow on the balls of your feet, once it speeds up, you'll never be able to keep up. So you have to go. A little bit faster. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and a. Again. One more. Prep. The break is cramp roll, cramp roll, cramp roll, chug chug. Leap shuffle. 1, 2, 3. And then slam that accent. And you're really going to fall into it. So again, you have chug chug, leap shuffle. 1, 2, 3. Slam. Again. All together. 5, 6, 7, 8.